Hello everyone and welcome back to the cabin. It's Saturday morning and the first thing we're going to do is go and help someone get unstuck. They're about a mile away and they're on a four-wheeler with tracks, and I guess the whole thing is just totally buried. So I'll bring you guys along for at least part of it, and let's go and get this guy unstuck.
Isn't it a 950? Yeah. Guy just had one for sale at Chugiak. I was going to buy it, somebody beat me to it. 2020, the 950 year old.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hey, hold on, hold on.
Yeah.
You want to put a block on it?
You want to go in. I don't know if you want to do it now or not, but yeah. Keep going. We got 2 routes out there. That's plenty good right there, yep. Okay. Oh, okay. You can slide right back in.
Oh! Your one track's totally off now.
Holy cow.
So now,
We need to lift him that way so we can spin this one on.
well, we know we can do that.
Yeah. This back one looks good. Both back ones look good. Yeah. It's just the front one's messed up.
We just tilt you up so you can just spin them on there. Make it go spin around.
That's good. But he might be getting it here.
13, or it might be 12.
12?
12 or 11.
Or no, I got 10, 12 and 10. on?
Oh, not yet.
No, okay. I was gonna say, yeah. I thought. Yeah. Oh, we probably should go pull ladders, I guess. I can pull those with your hand. Oh, yeah.
As you just saw, we were able to get that guy unstuck out in the swamp there. Another weekend has come to an end out here at the cabin, so I'm just gonna pack up and head back to town. Everyone, have a good week.